This is my fourth try. You see it says BT pairing. Now I'll go over here. Hard to do it with one hand. Turn these on. And it's not picking it up. But when I do it on my computer, it picks it up fast. I press menu. It's not doing anything. Nothing's doing anything. Well, that's actually value. But once again, it's still pairing. So, it's not really working for me.